In this presentation, we are going to explore how to connect to a MySQL database using PHP. We will cover two popular methods, MySQLi, that is MySQL Improved Extension, and PDO, that is PHP Data Objects. There are primarily two methods to connect to a MySQL database in PHP, MySQLi and PDO. MySQLi stands for MySQL Improved Extension, which is specifically designed for MySQL databases. PDO stands for PHP Data Objects, which provides a consistent interface for accessing various databases. Let us delve into MySQLi, the MySQL Improved Extension. It is a MySQL-specific extension, which means it is tailored for MySQL databases. It supports both procedural and object-oriented programming styles. It offers prepared statements for security and performance, and it provides enhanced debugging capabilities. MySQLi is best suited for projects that exclusively use a MySQL database. Here is a basic example of establishing a connection to a MySQL database using MySQLi's object-oriented approach. First, define the server name, which is typically localhost, then the username, password, and the database name. Next, create a new MySQLi object using these credentials. It is represented as $con is equal to new MySQLi, followed by the server name, username, password, and database. After that, check if the connection was successful using an if statement. If there is a connection error, terminate the script using the die function and display the error message. The $con followed by connect_error. This code snippet demonstrates the fundamental steps to connect to a MySQL database using MySQLi in an object-oriented manner. Now let's explore PDO, which stands for PHP Data Objects. PDO is database-agnostic, meaning it can work with various database systems. It provides an object-oriented interface for database access. It supports prepared statements for security and performance, and offers robust exception handling for error management. PDO is best suited for multi-database applications where portability is a key requirement. Here is a basic example of connecting to a MySQL database using PDO with exception handling. First, define the host name, which is typically localhost, the database name, username, and password. Next, use a try-catch block to handle potential connection errors. Within the try block, create a new PDO object using the database connection string and credentials. Set the error mode to exception to enable exception handling. If a PDO exception occurs, catch it and display the connection error message using $E, followed by arrow, get message. This code demonstrates how to establish a database connection using PDO with proper error handling. Let us compare MySQLi and PDO side by side. MySQLi is MySQL-specific only, whereas PDO is database-independent. MySQLi supports both procedural and object-oriented programming, while PDO is object-oriented only. MySQLi generally offers better performance for MySQL databases, whereas PDO provides better portability across different database systems. MySQLi provides enhanced debugging features, while PDO offers robust exception handling for error management. When working with database connections, it is essential to follow best practices for security and reliability. Always use prepared statements to prevent SQL injection attacks. Handle exceptions properly to gracefully manage errors and prevent information leakage. Ensure to close database connections after use to release resources and improve performance. Also, remember to validate user input to prevent malicious data from entering your database. In summary, choose MySQLi for projects that are MySQL only, and PDO for applications that require database flexibility and portability. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.